You can see all the photos that I already been taken in with these devices. You can play a lot of games, like all of the heavy games, literally like Free Fire, PUBG, Fortnite. Hey, what is up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great. If you're doing great, then it's really happy for me and you also. So this video is all about my iPhone XS Max, like why I get it and what are the benefits. This is literally so expensive. There's some particular reasons you have to get a device like this kind of expensive. So I have already noted out some of my key features. So I'm gonna talk with you guys like why I get this thing, why you should get this thing, like, and also the quality, like what I'm experiencing right now with this device. And there are a lot of things you can watch in this video, so keep continue watching without skipping. What is my review? So in the title you might already read that this is my review. My review means like I'm a simple person who is not a big YouTuber like all of the big YouTubers. I'm a small YouTuber. I don't want to overdo all the things. So this device has been bought by my own money. I'm not a YouTuber who get a lot of devices to review, and I also don't want to do that, because if I do that then I could be a little biased, and I promise I'll never do that. Anyway, that's all about this is my review, because this device is mine. I got this and I bought this with my own paisa, exactly. Anyway, so the next reason why I bought this and also why you should get this. At first let me talk about like why I get this thing. So at first I'm an iOS app developer and designer. That's the reason I should be quite comfortable with Apple's ecosystem. If you are not that much comfortable with Apple's ecosystem, you will not be able to be a great developer without being touched with Apple's ecosystem. So that's the first reason I had to get this thing. So that's the simple reason. Like some people have their different reasons, but this is my own reason. That's the reason. So the next thing is performance. So performance is the thing will make you happy, because every simple time when you just want to open an app, you click it, and if it doesn't load fast, then you're gonna get a little disappointment. But I just don't want to get disappointed, so I click on an app. If it appears to be open in a little bit long moment, then it is disappointing me, because I'm paying for a premium amount, but I'm not getting that premium experience. That's the reason like I should consider the performance. So that's the reason I got this thing. It will never feel slow and you can go really fast. Like you can play a lot of games, like all of the heavy games, literally like Free Fire, PUBG, Fortnite and Asphalts. You can play literally any games and you never feel that your device is slow and you're feeling slow. It will never happen, because this device can run you all the times, anytime, any games, any apps. Like it's blazingly fast. If you want to check like how games performs on these devices, I already made some videos like how Clash of Clans performs on these devices, and Free Fire, Fortnite, PUBG, and pretty much most of the games, most of the popular games. I already made videos. If you want to watch those, I will put the cards over here, I think over here or in the description box. So anyway, that's all about the performance. I already noted down all this stuff. So if you're thinking like why I'm looking back, then this is the reason, because I should like mark all the things, like what I should talk with you guys, like what I should share with you guys. So that's the thing. I'm a camera guy. I love to shoot photos and videos. So that's the reason I also should consider the camera. Every single time I cannot pick up this DSLR like I'm using right now. So I use my device phone a lot of times. A lot of great photos have already been captured with these devices. I can show you on the picture like right now I'm gonna show some slideshows. So I'm gonna keep quiet for a little moment and you can see all the photos that I already been taken in with these devices. Hopefully you guys liked all the photos I already shown you. Like those are some great photos that I already took with this device, and you can do a lot more than me. If you are really pro and if you like photography, then this device is gonna be one of the best for you guys. Yes, it doesn't have the wide angle, it doesn't have the like night shift mode, but without all these things, it is one of the best. I can recommend you that it can give you some great photos that you can exactly do something with. Like there are a lot of devices with night modes, but all the photos you're gonna get, you cannot do anything. I can give you guarantee with about these things. Anyway, that's all about the photos. So I'm also a photographer and also a filmmaker, so that's the reason camera mean a lot to me. So next about the videography. Video on this device is one of the charmest thing. Like you can shoot up to 4K 60 FPS. So that's the greatest thing. Like 60 FPS mean making videos in 60 frames per second mean your video is going to be really smooth. So you should consider that, like how is the quality going to be, and also how is the frame rate going to be. The much more frame rate you have, much more versatility you will get in terms of making videos. So that's about the camera. The focusing system on this device is one of the fastest in the market. You are gonna get a long, like it's a high quality focus. You can see this, it can jump through the focus and out of focus in a little moment, and it's blazingly fast. So it's all about the camera. And after that, the reliability. Someone said that do not go to war without tested rifles. Like literally I can trust on these devices anytime, any moment, anywhere. Even though if it's low light, daylight, highlight situations, rainy day, because anytime I can trust on these devices. So it's a trusted devices. With that I can go for one. It's a little joke. Anyway, about the quality. So you are paying the premium amount for these devices, so it's really expensive. Exactly, you can know that it's really expensive. So you are paying for all the premium things. So if you do not feel this thing is premium, then what the heck you're living with? So that's the simple thing. Like in terms of quality, it's one of the best. Even if I want to drop this thing I can, but I'm not going to do that because that hurts me here, because I bought it with my own money, not no one gave me. Anyway, it's the important part. Like, should you get this thing? You, exactly, I'm talking about you. So there are some reasons that you should, like, you must have. First reason, if you have a lot amount of money, then it's no matter, you can get this device anytime, no matter. I'm not that kind of guy. So if you have something to do with this device, then that's another kind of things. But the main thing that you should consider in your mind, that you're paying a lot. So if you are expecting for a lot, then yeah, it's true, you should do that, because you're paying for a good amount of thing. So that's the simple thing. Like if you need that, and if you know what you are going to do with this. Secondly, you must consider the price, and thirdly, you should consider the all of the things. Like if you consider the price, the quality, like if you wanna feel your life like hassle free, then you should get this thing. If your budget is like that, else there are a lot of devices on the market, like Redmi Note 7, Note 7 Pros. Those are some great devices. Even though I'm going to get one device that I don't want to share with you guys, it's a secret. You can see it really soon. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Let me wait. Have you subscribed? I'm just waiting for you. You subscribed? Have you subscribed? Now press the bell icon. I'm waiting for you. Press the bell icon fast. Hopefully you guys already did that. Then thank you so much. And pretty much that's it all about the review. The performance is great. You can play any games, you can play any apps, you can use any apps. You can also export videos, photos really fast. I use Adobe Express a lot of times, so you can also use this thing, and you can do pretty much anything you can do with a smartphone in the high quality range, because this thing is made for the quality, because it's, you know, it's premium. Anyway, that's it for today. I thought I couldn't make the video today because the day was really busy, and right now I didn't have the situation to make the video, but for you guys I'm doing this. So if you like this video, be sure to press the like, and that's it for today. Hopefully you guys like the video. See you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.